Hi guys, this is Grant from Collectiv, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce the number of measures and make your reports more efficient in Power BI using calculation groups. Let's get started. So say for instance, you have a measure, sales for example, and you're required to make a bunch of different manipulations to it, such as month to date, quarter to date, year to date, year over year, etc. This can become a lot of measures. And instead, I'm going to show you how to condense these and make it into one single calculation group. Let's jump into Power BI. So here you can see all of my different measures. This becomes a lot of work. And instead, we're going to make it into one calculation group that shows all of these. Doing that, we're going to go to External Tools and Tabular Editor. Here, we're going to go to Tables, right-click Tables, Create New Calculation Group. And we'll call this one Time Intelligence. Here, we're going to right-click it, Create New Calculation Item. We'll call this one Month to Date. Here, you're going to take all of your measures from Power BI and copy and paste them into Tabular Editor. It's important to grab everything to the right of the equal sign. So in Tabular Editor, we're going to paste it in there, and then we're going to remove the measure sales and instead replace it with a scalar function called selected measure. This will enable it to be dynamic and change with whatever measure you have chosen. We're going to accept that, and then we're going to go to New Calculation Item, quarter to date. And I'm going to take time to add in all the different ones. One thing that's important is that you replace the measure in every single measure. You have to replace with selected measure, and then we're going to go up to here to format DAX to ensure that we have the correct syntax. Once you have these all added, you can go to Save. And then we'll go back to Power BI. And here you'll see Refresh Now. Click that. And then as you can see, the new table, Time Intelligence, has been added. I know it only says name as a column, but don't worry, I will show you how this works. We'll go to Matrix, and we'll put in sales in our values, year in rows, and then we will select the name column, and we'll put that in the columns. Here, it shows all the different measures you made in your calculation group. If you notice, the original sales measure is not shown here, so I will show you guys how to do that. We'll go back into Tabular Editor. And we'll do a new calculation item, and we'll call this one current. Here, you'll just do selected measure. We'll format it, accept changes, save. Then we'll go back to Power BI, refresh, and as you can see, current has now been added. And that is how you save time and reduce the number of measures using calculation groups. Thank you for your time, and for more videos from me and the team, follow Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube. See ya.